And so the much awaited Tamizhaga Vetri Kazhagam flag is going to be hoisted in that mast over there. Now Vijay has introduced a flag, and that flag has a red banner, a yellow banner, another red banner, and along with it there are two elephants on either side, and in center you have a symbol. That's what you see over here, and this is the flag that you see over here with drones and everything passing by. This you see, that is the flag of Tamizhar Vetri Kazhagam that has been hoisted by Vijay, who is no longer an actor but a politician with his own party called as Tamizhaga Vetri Kazhagam. Three bands, the red band, the yellow band, another red band with two elephants and a symbol in the center. That is the flag of Vijay and his Tamizhaga Vetri Kazhagam. And even before introducing this particular flag, what he did was that he went ahead and he read a pledge that he has written, and he has said in that pledge that he will follow as per the Constitution of India and he will adhere to the principles. And this is how Vijay has gone ahead. In fact, the exact translation is that I will praise the freedom fighters from Tamil Nadu who fought for our nation's freedom and for our people's rights. I will strive to accomplish the aim of our language war martyrs. I pledge that I will follow the path of social justice, democracy and secularism and work for the people. I will act in protecting the Indian Constitution, sovereignty, unity, fraternity, communal harmony and equality. Will remove the inequality in the name of caste, the religion, sex and birthplace and create awareness among people. And there you could see those are the Tamizhaga Vetri Kazhagam fans over there who are distributing sweets and are celebrating the event where the flag has been introduced and the first hoist has been done by Vijay. No longer an actor but a party man who has decided to enter Tamil Nadu politics. Another actor entering Tamil Nadu politics. There are a lot of questions whether he will be successful like Vijay, MGR, Jayalalitha or Vijay Khan. And there you have the fans who are here and who are cheering. On one side, they're distributing gifts and everything. Everybody has been cordoned off and they are waiting over here and they are really calling him by the name Talapati that it means. And that's what they are calling over here. Kodi Armiga Partidanga, enna solla virumbreenga? Kodi Armiga enna panna solreenga? Kodi Armiga Partidanga illaya, enna solla virumbreenga?
அடுத்து நாங்க தான் ப்ரோ ஆட்சி 2020 ஆட்சி பிடிப்போம் தளபதி இங்க கொடியேத்தனல 2026 கோட்டையில கொடியேத்துறதா லட்சியம்.
This is how they are very much confident, claiming that after the flag hoisting has hoisted, they will be the ones who will hoist the flag in 2026, the national flag in Secretariat. That is how their fans are happy over here, celebrating with sweets, and they are assuring that in 2026 it is going to be Vijay and Tamizhaga Vetri Kazhagam that is going to hoist the flag. In fact, you could see over here, these are the sweets with already the stickers of Vijay on his on the cover, along with Busi Anand and people. A laddu is what their fans are getting, and that is how they are celebrating. There is a huge box over there with Vijay's name on it, and they have started distributing the gifts. Kodi ne armiga paduthiranga da solla virumbreenga?
அது வெற்றி கொடி, நாளைக்கு தமிழகத்தை ஆளும் கொடி. எங்கள் அண்ணன் அவர்கள் இன்று வரலாற்று சாதனை படைக்கக்கூடிய ஒரு சின்னமாக, ஒரு அடையாளமாக அவர் கொடியை இப்போது ஏற்றியுள்ளார். இது நாளை கோட்டையில் பறக்க போகிற தேசிய கொடியாக மாறும் என்பது எங்களுடைய எதிர்பார்ப்பு.
So that's how the fans are claiming that this flag, Tamizhaga Vetri Kazhagam's flag that you saw over there, that is going to turn into the national flag in Secretariat, and Vijay will hoist the flag as well. And that is how these are the fans who are going crazy over here, and they are celebrating as the parties after the flag. They are also introducing the actual song for them. Here you all could see that they have also brought in cakes and are celebrating, and the kind of joy over here for this thing. The cake enna eludhirukke?
TVK flag hosting Nilagiri women's wing.
So you have hoisted the flag over here. What do you want to say now?
Nothing, sir. It's celebrating.
Only celebrating. Everybody says that he is going to come to power in 2026.
கட்சி கொடி அடுத்த பாடல்
We are waiting for 2020. We are waiting for 2026 CM.
So you're going to become a CM alone, or is there going to be a coalition party?
Alone. Yes, sir.
He calls him Talabadi, and there are like
Nilagiri.
that they will, like, he is going to become the chief minister in 2026, and that's the kind of celebration that you see after that flag has been hoisted. And now already with the flag hoisting itself, the people here, the fans claim that he has already become the chief minister. And after hoisting the flag for Tamilaka Vetri Kazhagam, that is actor Vijay over here in this car, and he is also going back, and he has assured that he will also reveal the reason behind what the flag actually. The flag has 2 elephants and a wage flower with 3 bands, 2 red and 1 yellow, and those are the fans who are running behind them, absolutely crazy, and trying to actually over there. The fans are also blocking him to meet him. This is the kind of crazy which I has in Tamil Nadu, and this is why he claims that he can change the future. The fans over here are banging on the car, and they're also climbing just to have a glimpse over. The fans are electricing over here, and right now, look, Vijay has assured that very soon a conference will be held where he will explain about the party ideology and also the reason behind why he chose such a flag with 3 bands, 2 red, 1 yellow, 2 elephants, and a wage flower in between. That's Vijay, and over there the barricades have been trampled, and people are over here, and Vijay has left from his party office after hoisting his party flag. Jian from Modmadhav for India Today.